So this is an unboxing video of my new Taurus G2C in 40 caliber. Here's all the instructions and the cable lock, chamber flag. It comes with an extra 10 round magazine. This one has a loaded chamber indicator, adjustable rear sights, 3-dot. Has a safety I don't really care for, but it's on there. I got the Coyote tan to match my Taurus 605 357 revolver. I got this for the channel. I already had a 40, but most of the guns I use are small for concealed carry in my ammo reviews and tests, so I got a smaller one. And this is familiar and comfortable to me because, like my 9mm G2C, they're almost identical dimensionally, except you can't fit the 40 mag in the 9mm, it's too fat. But this does, however, fit my 9mm holster, so that's a plus. We're going to take this out to the range and see how it functions. I got some full metal jacket ammo. Going to see what kind of accuracy and reliability we get out of it. So let's see what it'll do. So these are going to be the first shots out of this G2C 40 cal, and I'm just testing functional reliability and accuracy. And I got some run-of-the-mill full metal jacket, some S&B 180 grain, nothing special. I'm going to shoot at about 7 feet contact distance, slow fire, and then I'm going to back up to about 12 to 15 feet slow fire. Then I'll split the difference, come back forward to about 10 feet and do some rapid fire. I'm going to take a few shots at the Texas Star, some steel plates, and some knockdown guys. So let's see what it'll do. primarily got this pistol to do ammo reviews for concealed carry size pistols. I feel it offers a more realistic muzzle velocity and performance. It's well made out of the box. It feels really stiff and like it needs lubrication. It definitely needs to be broken in. It's your typical compact carry pistol, 3-dot sights, safe action trigger, poly frame. This one has a safety. I don't really care for safeties, but it's not in the way. 2 10-round mags. It's really hard to get the 10th round in right now, probably just because they're new. It's accurate at 7 to 8 feet. It hits a little low. At 12 to 15 hits, it hits just under point of aim. It's familiar to me. It feels just like shooting my 9mm G2C, just a little bit snappy. Nothing major. Reliability was good. I had 0 malfunctions out of the first 50 rounds fired. I did notice the trigger feels a little gritty, a little springy. I'll do an update after putting at least 200 rounds through it and completely disassembling, cleaning, and lubricating. In all, it's a good serviceable pistol for under $250. If you have any questions or comments, hit me up in the comments. Thanks for watching.